Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't leave before subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave a comment. Today we are preparing pakora and our ingredients are the green gram flour, we have sliced onions, grated carrots, we have chopped coriander, we have pepper, we have baking soda, and we have water. So let's get started. Start by mixing all the ingredients plus the baking soda and the salt. Make sure your mixture is mixed properly so that you can add a little amount of water. Don't add a lot of water because the mixture is supposed to be thick. Here's our final results. This is how your mixture is supposed to be. So uncover it for about 20 minutes, then you can deep fry it. Start deep frying your pakoras. You can use a spoon or you can use your hands. Our pakoras are ready. That's my time today. Thank you for watching. So till next time, bye.